Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2026 Tesla Model 3 Performance. It's the gloss red paint, and we put the XPEL Stealth film over this to make it a satin red paint. And I'll show you the original red right there. Here's your gloss red on the inside, and versus your door, which is satin. So let's take a walk around this. We did full window film, 20% all XR Plus, 70 on the windshield, and the XPEL windshield protection film on the outside. So let's take a walk around and show you our install. Let me get a little smudge off here. And I'll show you how we do our install. So this is just like our gloss wraps. We make sure that all our detail, all these edges are wrapped. We don't want any gloss lines showing through whatsoever. No gloss lines at all. Emblem will go back. We just need to get a new one. Didn't come in time, but all the edges, all your edges are fully wrapped. All this black down here was done in satin. Headlights are done. Full trim, everything's done. All the way back here, everything. This A-pillar fully wrapped into the glass, nice and clean. Everything's done. Done. Underneath all these moldings, that's your door. Fully wrapped, 100%. Nothing's left with gloss paint. So it looks like the car was painted that way, and that's the goal we want. Like all our door handles, fully wrapped in. Everything looks fantastic. Quarter panel, 100%. A-pillar where it meets the hatch, fully done. Spoiler, trunk, everything. Letters come off, go back on. No gloss lines around them. Everything looks fantastic. So there it is, Tesla Model 3 2026 with the XPEL Stealth film, 10-year written guarantee. The installation guarantee is 10 years also in writing. The window film's lifetime transferable. That's also guaranteed by XPEL. Installations are always covered by us. 20% on all the doors and roof, 70% on the windshield. Windshield protection film on the exterior for rocks. And there it is, clearbrownorthdallas.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us.